Good morning. Out where I'm at is about 55 degrees, warm, heavy, cloudy in some places. Packs of fog. My understanding, we're probably suspecting some rain today. I don't think it's gonna snow at this temperature. It has to quickly drop. Now, yesterday I did finish off the day with $21 average before any expenses, and that just in Lexington, not counting my trip forth and back from home. But I do have a couple questions, and I need you guys' help on this. I am going to call Doordash, even though I know they're probably not going to help me, but I still want to see what they're going to say. Two things. First of all, I mentioned it in the video yesterday as I dropped out that ride along or dash along, is where my offers dramatically have decreased. I am still getting good offers. Very little 225 offers. But my offers have decreased, I don't know, I would say between 3 to 5 times less than I used to get. A couple things that actually happened that changed. Yesterday was a 12 day, today is the 13th day in a row that I'm dashing without taking a day off. That's one. And two, I am continuously picking. Three, I got a Walmart order that I accepted it, I believe on Tuesday. That was 6 deliveries, and then I unaccepted them, or not. I canceled them. And I think out of all these things, the only thing that it makes sense to me is those Walmart orders, because it's a batch. They should have been counted one. They were not counted as one when I canceled them. So this batch is actually hunting me right now and causing less offers to receive. It will take me about 3 more days, because I do about 20 deliveries on average a day. Yeah, if you take smaller orders, smaller payouts, you're gonna do more deliveries. My situation, I do higher payouts, and because they're not sending me as much offers, I average about 20 to 23 deliveries a day. So that's question number one. Why my offers decrease? Have anybody had any experience at this? And what kind of theory you guys have? Second is, I just don't believe that we have 3 times more drivers or 5 times more drivers on the road. That's just, I don't believe that. So it has to be something else. Or customers dropped out and not ordering, and there's only a fifth of the customers are still ordering. It's hard to believe that overnight that just happens. Because Tuesday, I had offers after offers. Then in the evening, I had a situation. I finished up the night. Wednesday is when I noticed that huge decline. Right off the back, I noticed a huge decline. So, second thing is, majority of my orders yesterday were huge orders. I'm talking about, a lot of items per order. In some cases, restaurants are giving bags larger than the DoorDash's or my Amazon catering bag, which is 24 inches long. I believe 24. Maybe 30 inches. I don't know. I don't have a tape measure on me. No, I don't. Probably 30 inches long. And some of those restaurants' bags are longer for their catering orders, and it just doesn't fit into my bag easily. So, when I put it in, because I don't deliver nothing that is not in the bag, catering bags. I don't also do not touch nothing that's inside in the bag that's actually being provided by the restaurant. That means when I put it in, some of the trays might go under an angle of 45. Just for me to, get everything into the catering bag. And I just have that issue where somebody, and the only people that could, because I had those kind of bags that I couldn't fit, about 3. Those would be the only customers that maybe something spilled or something. That would be the only situation. I don't know. I don't remember any other situation. I had a situation where a customer had handed to me. I came up to the door to hand it to him, and the dog started barking, and he's like, pointing, to just leave it by the door, through the window. So I took put it by the door, took a picture, and left. Because even when we have leave it at the door, hand it to me, I still take a picture. I don't, upload it to Doordash. I don't upload it, but I take the picture for my records. If I have a situation where the picture will not upload, I'll take a picture. Because for some reasons, about 1 out of 10 orders, I get one of those where it will not upload. I'll try to message them the picture, but I ran into situations of half the time when it doesn't want to upload through, at the end of the delivery, it also will not want to upload to the messenger. So, their messenger, not my messenger. So, I just take a picture for my records of something I can have a proof of. I try body cams. I cannot find one that actually would do what I wanted to do, record without me holding it and trying to make sure that it records. You guys probably have a 3-letter name for my brain situation, but I have a problem where my brain constantly just goes everywhere and thinks, and constantly, multiple things at the same time, and it's hard for me to kind of keep focus unless something opens inside me and it starts pouring out. That's when then it's kind of all that noise kind of falls in behind, and I just get that clarity. But the rest of the time is just trying to keep my thought focused, plus the interpretation of the language and stuff. So making sure I choose the right words to say as I interpret, kind of creates a little problem for me in the speech. So I do apologize if I don't sound like you guys would love me to sound. I've been dealing with that all my life, and right now it's just on the web. So yes, let me know what you guys think of that in the comment section, because I would like to kind of know how to proceed with this. Thank you.